sometimes what happen is, let's say you have installed Microsoft Office in your system, but you want to get rid of it because let's say you want to install the newer version of it. And because of n number of reasons, you are not able to uninstall it through standard method. You are hitting here in Windows button and then going to settings. In settings, we need to go to apps and then install apps. And then from here, you already tried installing Microsoft Office by clicking here uninstall. So this should work for you, but due to any reason, if this did not work, then I would recommend you to follow this guide directed by Microsoft. And again, not to worry guys, I'm gonna provide you the direct link in the description of this video, from where simply go to this page. And now we need to go down here. Now here we need to click on uninstall. Now click on open. So what this will do is this will run a troubleshooter. And here you need to type what exactly you want. For example, uninstall Microsoft Office, and then this will come automatically. Now it says that, do we have your consent to run this troubleshooter to uninstall Microsoft Office? I'm gonna say yes. Now similarly, it also says, please wait while we are trying to install. And then you're gonna see this kind of screen that will try to completely uninstall your Microsoft Office. And now seems like we have completed this step. Now we need to click on continue. And now it says that uninstall from Windows settings. So now it is asking us to follow the standard steps, which is again, by visiting apps option here. Alright, now from here we can uninstall Microsoft Office. Now let me actually go back here and see if Microsoft Office exists, and here we go. Here we do not have. So if Microsoft Office exists, then you can clean the remaining file up, and in this way guys, you can successfully delete Microsoft Office from your system, and especially using official Microsoft Windows 11 dedicated uninstallation troubleshooter. Please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic for more such video, and I will catch you soon. Till then, you take care and bye bye.